Welcome to my channel. DIY home improvement videos with humor. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please subscribe and share. Here's a brief preview of my videos.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard.
Good morning. Ooh, it's very hot.
No, I'm just getting warmed up.
Okay, so now all I can say is
I don't know.
Hey, come on.
Chuck, just saying. All right, so what's the what are you doing?
that was not even hammering yet. Oh, there it is.
You going for the corner joints or are you going for the border joints?
Hammer drill, hammer. Oh, I need this bad boy to be. What does that button do? Forgot my mask.
Yeah, I noticed that. Do you have earplugs?
What?
Exactly. I'll give you some earplugs. I have a whole 10 of them. Brand new.
Yeah, as long as they haven't been in your ear already.
Twice, actually.
All right, that's even better.
Uh-huh. You gotta add that support, you know?
So now I can't. What did I do? I'm like.
Your mask?
My mask. Oh, it's on my face.
The one that's on your face?
Yeah, that's the one. Here.
God, I love you.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
All right, so what's
No, they don't work. I can still hear you.
Uh-huh. What's the plan? What do you want me to do while you do that? Stand there and catch?
Yeah, we're just going to. Hey. We're just going to. You'll say hey. Just wave to the camera. So get farther away. That way. Closer. Closer to the. Closer.
Rest, yeah.
All right. Good. All right. So we're going to stop that because we don't like that because.
One eternity later. Three hours later. Several days later. Four to 6 weeks later. .28 a.m. Much later.